Yes, Anna.
So everyone able to recording or anyone facing any type of issues? Everyone is recorded. So yesterday we recorded this, right? See, I recorded yesterday. I recorded. Now again I'm not recording because I already recorded, right? Again recording means our time will be waste. Okay, recording will be, everyone is fine, right? How to we can give for the start transaction, end transaction. Okay, everyone is fine, or anyone having doubts means I will start again. I will record the script. Vishnu?
Yes, Sriram, it is, I mean, hello.
Yeah, Vishnu, tell me.
I tried in Google Chrome, but it's not working.
So maybe your Google Chrome application will be not updated. Please check in the open the Google Chrome and you need to update. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the issue. Okay. Maybe you are unable to record it. Okay.
Okay. The script also, it is not, sometimes it's not getting the script all. Only it is showing the test case is passed, something like that. It is showing.
Okay. We'll check. Okay. After the class is completed, we'll connect and we'll clear. Okay.
Okay.
So now I recorded script. Okay. So I given start transaction, everything I given. Means everything we recorded perfectly. Now we need to do some scripting enhancements. Like, see, for example, we are here recording only single user point of view recorded with the username what Jojo Bean. But in execution point of view controller, we need to execute with the number of users, right? Means we need for the number of username and passwords are right or not. See, so real time what will happen? For example, we are using for the Facebook application. So my credential will be different and Murthy credential different and Vishnu credential also different. Same way you are doing for the 100 user test means you need to give for the 100 username and 100 password data. So that is point of view, we have the one scripting enhancements that is called parameterization. So what is the parameterization? Nothing but what are the values you are entering through keyboard, those values we should do the parameterization. So means what are the values we are entering through keyboard. So you can go to the application first. Okay. I'm opening the application. See here Jojo Bin, I am entering through keyboard or we are selecting?
Through keyboard.
Through keyboard means now we know for the username and password we need to do for the parameterization. Then click on next. And after that you are clicking the flights. So means clicking only happening. And after that here you can observe departure city, arrival city, you are selecting or you are entering?
Selecting.
We are selecting, we are not entering. See, we are not typing.
Yeah.
Just we are selecting. We have the different type of drop downs will be there. You need to select any one of mine. And derive also we are selecting. And going to here, departure date, you are editing or entering?
Editing.
Through keyboard we are giving for the date. So return date also we are giving. Means you need to do for the departure date, return date also parameterization. It's clear? And after that number of passengers also you are editing. Means you need to do for the parameterization. And after that we have the seating preference, different of type of seating preferences there. You are selecting but you are not entering. So you can give. Now we clear it. Now we find for the username, password and departure date, return date and number of passenger. And next click on continue. So for here we have the different flights will be there. Okay, for this state. So you need to selecting for the flight. Means we don't do for the flight number is the not a.
Your voice is breaking.
So now it's fine. Hello. Everyone able to hear?
Your voice is breaking, Sriram.
Yeah, it's okay.
For anyone apart from Murthy, anyone Vishnu, Manikanta, you are able to hear properly or?
I am able to hear.
Then Murthy, your side only, your network maybe. See, because
no, sir, I didn't mention.
See, they are good, right? Now is
Sir,
good,
problem.
Murthy?
Yeah. Sir, problem Nagas.
Yeah. Okay, so now I selected the flight and click on continue. And after that, first name, last name, and street address. So we are entering or you are selecting? We are entering. And city also we are entering. And after that, passenger names also we are entering. And after that, credit card also we are entering. And after that, what is that date also we are entering for the credit card this date, and click on continue and sign off. Now we need to know for the what are values we are entered. Now we'll see the in script. See in the see this launch part, we have the any values will be there. No, right? In web URL you are seeing any values?
No.
No. Okay, good. Then we can come to the second transaction is a last transaction login. So login part you are able to see for the Jojo bin.
Yeah.
Jojo bin we are entering or we are selecting? Through keyboard we are entered, right?
Yes.
So means we need to do for the parameterization. See some user section value will be there. Your enter or automatically escape. It is automatically escape, means we not do for the parameterization. Okay, now we need to do for the username and password. Okay, for here is fine. And after that, set flight button, we don't have any value. And after that, come to the next reservation page, and you can see where departure city. Departure city means we are entering, we are selecting, we are selecting. Departure date we are entering, means you need to do for the parameterization. And return date we are entering, and passenger details we are entering. And after that, you can come to this. This is the flight. Flight we are selecting or we are entered flight, anything. We are selected, right? So means here you no need to do for the anything. Number of passengers you need to do for the parameterization because we are entering. And come to here. First name, last name, address to passenger one details, credit card, and expire date. These all details we are entering, means these all details also you need to do for the parameterization. Now everyone is clear what values we need to do the parameterization, means what are the values you are entering through keyboard, those values we should do the parameterization. Is clear? So how to do the core parameterization I will explaining. So you need to select for the username. So what is the username? What is the username?
Jojo.
Jojo. So means what value we are doing, you need to select that value, and after that click on right button. Okay, and after that replace with parameter, and click on create new parameter. So then one pop-up window will open. Here parameter name, which value we are doing? Username. So means you need to give for the username param, because why? Maybe I will give for the Kiran, maybe Murthy or someone doing work, and he will look on my work. Okay, username place I given for the Kiran. What is the Kiran? Means which value he done for the parameterization? Someone is no, they don't know, right? So that is why parameter name also we need to give for the properly. Means what value you are doing, you need to give for that name. User name. Parameterization you are doing, that is why you need to give for the param, means parameterization. Then going to the, we have the parameter types will be there. So we have the different type of list there: date and time, file, group name, iteration number, and load generator. This all will be there. So maximum we can use for the these two. What is that? Means file and date and time. So when we can select for the file, means if it is a text or it is the numeric values will be there. So you need to select for the file. It's clear, everyone? So is Jojo is a text or it is any date and time?
Text.
Text means
Text.
we need to select for the file type. What is the parameter type? File type. And see, this is the original value. So just I given for the username, what is the name of the, I'm doing for the parameterization, I given that name. And after that I selected for the parameter type will be file, and click on properties. So once we can click on property, So it will open for this parameter properties. See, type what I selected, it will be showing here file. And this is the username param. So you are given name, right? This is the name we are given. See, it is extended with the dot. So if anyone asks for the what is the parameterization extension file, means DAT dot. What is that? Parameterization extension file dot DAT dot. So now you can click on create table and click on OK. Now you need to edit with notepad and for your very big. See, now I given username, this one. Again, I'm giving for the some user data, Jojo1 and Jojo2 and Jojo3. So means I'm giving for the test data, Jojo4, and I am saving. So you can click on this and it will ask for the save, and you can go to the script and you are able to see what are values entered, all values it is showing or not. First user, second user, third, fourth, fifth. Now by name, you need to select for the which value we are doing parameterization. What is the dot file name?
Username param.
So by name, you need to select by name, and what value you are doing, you need to select this. And coming to this comma delimiter, and this is the first line data means now it is showing for the first one. Maybe you are giving here 2. So you can observe now it is which value it pick, Jojo1 it will pick. So now we'll come to the 3, 5. So means you need to do for like this. Okay. Now I am starting with the first value only, then you can close. So here is clear, right? This is the dot file, and after that we are enter for the test data, and after that by name, what value we are doing parameterization name, you need to select here, and after that click on close and click on OK. And do you want to replace other occurrences string with this parameter? Means Jojo how many times will be there? You want to replace in that places, means always you can click on no, because sometimes will be not good. So now you can observe it is a replace with the what name? Username param. Now next we need to do for the same way bean also. See, if you do one same way, select that parameter name and click on replace with parameter, click on create new parameter. Replace with parameter, click on create new parameter, and we need to give for the name. So Vishnu, which name we need to give? Parameter name, what is the parameter name?
Bean.
Parameter name. Which value you are doing? Username or password?
Password.
So you need to give for the password. Password.
Yeah.
Password param. Why we are giving param means maybe if someone will see also, okay, done for the password is the parameterization. They will know. Then this is the text or any date and time parameterization.
File text.
Text means we need to select which prototype.
File type.
File type. So we are selected already file only. And after that we can go to the properties. So this is the what is the parameter extension file? Dot DAT dot. And after that click on create table and click on OK. And by name you need to select for the which one? Which value you are doing? Password param.
Password.
And after that you need to click on edit with notepad, and you need to enter for the password bean1 and bean2 and bean3 and bean4, and I'm saving. See, now you can go to the script. See what are the values I entered. All values it is came or not. See, by name you need to select for the password. Then after that you can close this and click on OK, and always no. See, now we done for the username param. So just you can execute and will observe how the value is picking. While checking for the logs. See, if you are executing logs means every time will be extend logs and parameter substitution will be need. In the logs, in the runtime settings, in the logs, in that extend line log, and that parameter substitution you need to check. And after that, save it and replay the script. See, your script will be paused. See, now you come to the output window. This is the output window, right? So you can go there. See, you can see this is the launch is happening. Launch is started, and after that, it is ended launch. And after that, it is started login. And see, you can observe what value are done given username param. Which value it is picked? Jojo. Password will be Win. Okay. Maybe we want for the second value we need to pick means what we need to do. You can go to the runtime settings. Okay. In runtime settings, in that run logic, we need to give for the 2 times or 2 iteration I am giving. Means 2 times will be executed for the business flow. So I'm saving. I'm again executing. See how many times it is executed?
2 times.
2 times executed. Now you will see which username password is picked for the first time. Second time, which username, which password is picked the second time we can observe. Now you can see here. See, this is the starting iteration 1 means first time. You can come to here. Which value it is picked? Jojo? Bean is picked. So come down. We are done only 2, right? So you can come to the see ending iteration means up to this our business flow is completed first time. And second time it is starting. Starting iteration 2. And now you can go here. You can observe here which value is picked. Jojo 1, Bean 1 is picked. Means maybe you are giving for the 100 user data means you need to give for the data in that parameters. And if you want this data will pick for the like this. See Jojo only it is picking for Bean 1. No, right? See Jojo Bean is different. Jojo 1, Bean 1 will be different. Means for example, we are there. So my credentials will be Jojo and Bean will be my passbook, Facebook credentials. So same to Prashanti credentials also different. What is that credentials? Jojo 1 and Bean 1. Maybe if it is picked for the my name is the Jojo is my credential and Prashanti using for the my she password Bean 1. Then it is able to log in? No, right? So this is the point of view we can do for the parameterization. Got it? So now again go to the script. Only we are done for the username and password, and we have the other values also will be there, and you can go to there and see this is the Paris. We can do for the parameterization. We can do or not?
Right click.
Yes.
How?
Yes.
You are selecting this, you are entering.
Okay, we are selecting this.
Selecting, sorry.
So selecting means we can do for the parameterization?
No.
Right? No. Okay. Then after that, this is the departure date. We are entered or we are selecting?
We are entering.
So means you need to do for the. So anyone can explain the process. We need to select for the parameterization.
Select.
Value.
Right click.
Right click. Replace with parameter.
Replacement
Create new
parameter.
parameter. And what is the name of this?
Department depart date.
Depart date. So you can give for the same depart date. And this is the file type or date and time?
Date and type.
So now you need to select for the parameter type. Which type? Date and time.
Date type.
See, you're able to see the date. See 7/15/2022.
Okay.
And click on properties. So this is the date and time, right? So that is why it is changed as this type of. So these all will be formats. So for example, what is your format? 07 means what is that? Month.
Month.
15 means date and means M, DD and Y. So same format is there. This one, maybe it will be like this there. It is equal to this format?
No.
No. So you can remember one thing. So what is the date will be there in our script? Same pattern you need to select here. Maybe here is not there. Edit also is possible here. Edit also possible here. See, for example, we miss for the date, we missed, right? So if you give for the date means what we need to give? Percentage and D. See, it is came or not? Slash we
Yes.
missed, right? Yeah. So it is which format is came? See, is the correct format?
Yeah.
How? So what is our format? Month, date,
Month, date,
year. But here it is showing for the which format?
Month.
Yeah, so this is not our format, right? After month only you need to give for this format. Percentage, what is the date, right? You need to give for the D. And after that percentage. See, now it's our format or not?
So,
So
column.
Yes.
so means if you can select already direct will be there, you can select a format. Maybe if it will not there, you need to edit also is possible. Got it, everyone? Maybe time also will be there. So you need to select like this. If you want, see, same this format to this means you can select this, but this is our format. It's not for our format. So only this is our format. So date and time when you are doing this format should be very important. So for here is a MMDD YY is there. So you need to, which format is there in our script? You need to select for this year also same. It's clear, everyone? Now I selected for this format and click on close and click on OK and always no. See, departure date is completed. Now you need to do for the return date, because return date also we are entering. So same way we can do. We can select that one, replace with parameter, create new parameter, and which value you are doing? You need to give for the name of that return date. Return date. And after that, this is the file type. Yes or no?
Date and time.
Yes, we need to select for the date and time. And after that, click on properties. And this is our format or not? Same format, right? Month,
Yes.
date and year. So everything is okay. Then close this and click on OK and always no. So now I done for the departure date and this also I done. And after that, if you want to for the passenger all means, because passenger also we are entering. We are entering or not?
Yes.
So means you can do for the number of passengers, and after that first name, last name, I mean for address 1, address 2, passenger 1, credit card, up to this all also we can do for the parameterization. So everyone is clear? So you need to do for the this all things. So I'm not doing because same process. So I'm giving for the work assignments to for everyone. You need to complete parameterization for the what are the values we are entering through keyboard. All values we can do. Okay. Anyone have any doubts regarding this? Murthy, Vishnu, Manikanta, Prashanti.
No doubt, present.
So generally parameterization అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్ గురించి టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి కదా. end result.
Yes, yes. See, number of users point of view, we need to do for the parameterization.
అది ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ లో చేయాలి?
So every situation, see, you are doing for the 1,000 users, then you need 1,000 data means you you need to do for the parameterization.
So controller concept in this, no?
See, this script you can push
1000
into the
users అంటే
controller.
1000 users మనము notepad లో ఎంటర్ చేయాలా?
See, this script we can push into the controller. After complete for the parameterization, you are pushing
Okay.
the controller and you are executing with the multiple users. So
Hmm.
there no need to do anything. Just we can push this one and we can design with the 1,000 users. Because
Okay.
already data will be there here only, in script only.
Okay.
Okay. So just don't think about more. Okay, just you can do practice yourself for the parameterization concept today. And okay, you need to
Sure.
just what is the parameterization and you need to go through that material also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for the tomorrow same time, and every day intersection will be same. And today assignment, you need to record for the script properly and do for the parameterization for the what are the values you are entering through keyboard. All values you can do up to end of the script. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow. Bye.